Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the 7th match in round 2. The scores are Immaculate Conception High on 20, Dinthill Technical on 19, having lost a point for the question, what is the least common multiple of 6, 8 and 9? The wrong answer actually came. The correct answer 72, not 32. And so we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please, as our first question comes from Bible knowledge. What type of snake bit Paul on the Dinthill?
Venomous snake.
Island of Melita, I have a viper. The judges will have to decide on that one. Biology, what is the name of the monosaccharide sugar that is about as sweet as glucose and about 65% as sweet as sucrose and is sometimes referred to as gal? Galactose. English language, using the word bush, give an expression that means to avoid saying, Dinthill.
To beat around the bush.
To beat around the bush.
Yes, what you mean. International affairs, look at the screen, identify this global leader. Dinthill.
Angela Merkel.
Angela Merkel.
Correct, German Chancellor. Chemistry, what is the full and complete formula for hydrous magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt?
Yes.
Dinthill.
MgSO4.7H2O.
Correct. Music. Listen to the clip, give the title of the song. Immaculate.
One more day.
Incorrect. I have nothing. General knowledge. What is the official and working language of the federal government in Ethiopia?
English.
Amharic. And Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. Los que estudian siempre aprenden.
Easy. Next one. Second. Yes.
Those who study always learn. Geography. The vast pampas grasslands are found in which Dinthill?
Argentina.
Correct. South American country. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this actor.
All right. Dwayne Johnson.
Hold on. I believe this goes to Immaculate.
Dwayne Johnson.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name for a post made on the online messaging service Twitter? Please release the buzzer. I believe this goes to Dinthill.
Tweet.
Correct. History. What was the name of the large Spanish estates in the Americas that were often plantations?
Next one. I think 42. Next one.
Las haciendas. Mathematics. What is the value of 5 factorial?
Yes.
Dinthill.
120.
Correct. Physics. A spring is stretched 10 centimeters by a suspended 1 kilogram block. If 2 springs side by side are used to suspend a 3 kilogram block, by how many centimeters does each spring stretch?
Next one. Yes, circle.
Immaculate.
25 centimeters.
Incorrect. 15 centimeters. Sports. Look at the screen. Identify this West Indies cricketer.
Next one.
John Campbell. Jamaican heritage. In Jamaica, the award of Order of Distinction has 2 classes. What are they?
Second. Next one.
Commander class, CD, and officer class, OD. French. What article of clothing is...
Yes.
And that's the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. The scores at this time, Immaculate Conception High on 18 and Dinthill Technical on 29. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.